Question 1. The busy chef prepared ingredients carefully, chopping vegetables, seasoning meat, and organizing spices for tonight's special menu. Question 2. Have you finished your project yet? Asked the concerned teacher during the afternoon break. Question 3. During the summer holidays, we visited 3 countries: France, Spain, Italy, and enjoyed wonderful weather throughout. Question 4. I believe, announced the scientist confidently, that this discovery will change everything. Question 5. The workshop taught valuable skills: woodworking, metalworking, pottery, and basic electrical repairs for beginners. Question 6. Good morning, everyone, greeted the principal as she entered the assembly hall with important announcements. Question 7. Before the concert begins, musicians tune their instruments, check their music stands, and prepare mentally for the performance. Question 8. Please wait here, instructed the nurse, while I prepare the examination room for your appointment. Question 9. The sports equipment store sells many items: footballs, tennis rackets, swimming goggles, and hiking boots. Question 10. While exploring the cave, the adventurers discovered ancient paintings, mysterious symbols, and evidence of early human settlement. Question 11. Why are you late for class? Questioned the teacher while tapping her pen impatiently on the desk. Question 12. The new restaurant serves delicious food: fresh salads, grilled meats, homemade pasta, and creative desserts for diners. Question 13. After completing her homework, Emma packed her school bag, set her alarm clock, and went to bed early. Question 14. I'm really excited, whispered Amy to her friend, about tomorrow's field trip to the Science Museum. Question 15. The gardening club planted various flowers, roses, tulips, daffodils and sunflowers to beautify the school grounds. Question 16. When will the results be announced? Worried the nervous student as she waited outside the office. Question 17. The technology fair displayed impressive inventions, creative solutions and innovative designs that amazed all visitors. Question 18. Before going swimming, please remember to bring your towel, apply sunscreen and drink plenty of water. Question 19. How long will the journey take? Ask the curious passenger while studying the train timetable carefully. Question 20. The art exhibition featured many mediums, paintings, sculptures, photographs, and digital installations from local artists. Question 21. Don't forget your umbrella, called out Mother. The weather forecast predicts heavy rain this afternoon. Question 22. The camping checklist included essential items, tents, sleeping bags, cooking equipment, and emergency supplies for safety. Question 23. During the performance, the orchestra played beautifully, the audience listened attentively, and everyone enjoyed the evening. Question 24. What time does the library close today? Inquired the student as he gathered his research materials quickly. Question 25. The science experiment required specific materials, test tubes, measuring cylinders, safety goggles, and protective gloves.